PhotoShelter Honest Review. Is this the best cloud storage for photographers? If you're a photographer, storing, showcasing, and selling your work online is crucial. PhotoShelter promises secure cloud storage with creative tools. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume cloud storage for photos is all the same. The surprising truth is PhotoShelter combines storage, client galleries, and e-commerce features tailored for photographers. Setup was straightforward. I uploaded a portfolio, organized images into collections, and set access permissions for clients. Upload speeds were fast, and image quality remained high without compression. One feature I loved is a customizable website builder. You can create a professional portfolio quickly, sell prints, and even manage licensing directly through the platform. The analytics dashboard shows traffic and sales insights, which helps plan marketing strategies. Security is robust. Images are backed up redundantly, with password-protected galleries and optional watermarking for sensitive work. This ensures peace of mind when sharing content online. The only downside is pricing. It's higher than basic cloud storage. However, considering the combination of storage, sales, and client management tools, the value is compelling for professional photographers. In conclusion, PhotoShelter is more than just cloud storage. It's a comprehensive platform for photographers seeking secure storage, client management, and revenue opportunities. For professionals, it's worth the investment.